Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a specific site's history and cookies in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open Chrome's main menu. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled History. This will expand a submenu showing you quick access to your recent browsing activity and additional history options. In this submenu, you'll see an option that says Open History Page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a full-page view of your browsing history, where Chrome displays all the websites you've visited organized by date and time. This page makes it much easier to find and manage specific sites compared to the compact menu view. Now, scroll through your history to locate the specific site whose records you want to delete. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that entry where you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, select Remove from this site. This action will display all the history entries related to that particular website. Next, you'll see a checkbox appear next to the site entries. Check this checkbox to select all instances of visits to that site. After selecting them, look toward the top of the page where you'll find a Delete button. Click on it to proceed with removing these history entries. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to delete these items. This is Chrome's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something important. Simply click Delete again to confirm your choice, and Chrome will permanently remove that site's browsing history from your records. Now let's move on to deleting the site's cookies. Navigate back to the upper right corner and click the 3 dots again to open the main menu. This time, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's comprehensive settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. On the left sidebar of the settings page, locate and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools Chrome offers for managing your browsing data, security preferences, and privacy controls. It's the central hub for everything related to how Chrome handles your personal information. Within the Privacy and Security section, find and click on Third-Party Cookies. This will take you to a page where Chrome manages how websites store and access cookie data. Here you'll see an option labeled See All Site Data and Permissions. Click on this option to view a complete list of every website that has stored cookies or other data on your browser. Now scroll through the list to locate the specific site whose cookies you want to remove. Once you find it, you'll notice a trash can icon positioned beside the site's name. Click on this trash can icon and Chrome will immediately delete all cookies and stored data associated with that website. And that's it! You've successfully removed both the browsing history and cookies for a specific site in Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.